Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best metal detectors on the market. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Oh, by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Do check it out. Let's begin with the Garrett Ace 250. This Ace 250 is a great all-around metal detector at a reasonable price. Its screen provides a good sized viewing area with red lettering and dark black cursors for indications. And as you can see, its LCD's left side lists the modes available. The center indicates sensitivity level, and on the right, the depth readings. For controls, there are 6 control pads, the top 3 for mode, sensitivity, and discrimination, while the bottom 3 pads are the push button type with a press and release for power and ELIM, when the pinpoint in the center is a press and hold. Overall, featuring pinpoint, notch discrimination, mode selection, visual and audio target ID, and depth reading, this Garrett Ace 250 is one of the best metal detectors you can get in 2021. Next is Minelab CTX 3030. If you're serious about metal detecting and need a machine that can operate in any environment while providing the most accurate readings possible, then this Minelab CTX 3030 is for you. In terms of basic functionality, its multi-frequency feature will allow it to produce cleaner signals from objects hidden deep underground, even past 8 inches, which is where most standard detectors begin to struggle. And coming equipped with present search modes, including coins, relics, beach, silver, and high trash modes with 5 additional custom mode slots, will let you further customize your search preferences. Its LCD display provides a wealth of background information on your searches, like item depth, conductivity, and iron content. And along with that, this device also features a GPS function that can automatically log areas you've searched before, and this will also allow you to pinpoint them on a computer map, with an option to add notes and pictures to your previous searches. Next is Nokta Makro. At only 2.9 pounds, the Simplex is a sleek machine, falling justly in the weight range of the Garrett Ace series and the Minelab Equinox detectors. Its 11-inch circular double D coil is well constructed, and its installation has been made clear by Nokta, as its coil cable is connected at the very rear of the coil. Its entire control box interface is well laid out, and Nokta has ensured its visibility by building in a backlit LCD screen and backlit keypad by adding a small LED flashlight mounted on the underside of the control box. Like all other leading detectors on the market today, this Simplex also has multiple selectable modes, including all metal mode, park mode, field mode, and beach mode. Finally, for battery, you can charge the Simplex battery on the fly with a portable power bank and a small charging adapter cord. Or else, you can use the special charging cable that comes along with the detector and connects it to a proprietary screw-on charging port on the back of the control box. Next is another excellent product from Minelab. Minelab is one of the leading companies in metal detection, and it has a few models made of gold detection on the market. Its Gold Monster 1000 comes with an ultra-wide dynamic range of 45 kHz VLF, which is ideal for locating small nuggets and other metals. And along with that, it also features an automatic ground tracking, as you don't need to adjust it every time you move locations. Featuring both a 10-inch elliptical and a 5-inch round DD coil that is waterproof up to 1 meter, will let you adjust it to your surroundings with ease. And with its included monochrome LED display, you can seamlessly change the detect modes from deep all metal to gold. As well as you can also adjust the sensitivity or switch to auto and even the volume. It will also show you the strength of the current being received. And for portability, it can be easily collapsed and packed away for travel. And along with the unit, you can get a pair of headphones, a digging tool, an AC charger, and a carrier for a replaceable charger. Last on our list is Fisher Goldbug Pro. As its name implies, this Goldbug Pro from Fisher is designed for gold prospecting with its high frequency and dedicated features to detect and pinpoint everything gold. It uses the VLF induction balance technology and operates at 19 kHz frequency, as its higher frequency will allow for the detection of small, non-ferrous targets like gold nuggets, while its greater sensitivity and smaller size allow you to zip into even the tightest spots and right up against large obstructions like rocks and tree trunks. One of the admirable things about Fisher's metal detectors is its digital display with target ID indicators, as this will help you make informed decisions without going into another mode before you dig. And coming with 2 types of ground balancing readouts, including ground balancing and ground phase, The purpose of ground balancing your metal detector allows it to be calibrated to the soil, as it can cancel out signals coming from ground minerals to improve depth protection without negatively affecting signal sensitivity on good targets. In all, this Gold Bug Pro is equipped with the necessary features for gold prospecting, but along with that, it is also an excellent all-around treasure hunting metal detector.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.